Traditional semiconductor testing is no longer keeping pace with modern manufacturing. For decades, part average testing has been the automotive industry standard for quality control, but as chip complexity grows at exponential rates, keeping up with the pace of growth is becoming more and more difficult. Today's semiconductor devices undergo thousands of electrical tests, but subtle process variations often slip through conventional testing, leading to latent defects. By their nature, latent defects are challenging to identify, typically revealing themselves only after prolonged use or under severe environmental stress. This is where AI can be used to improve part average testing. Customer quality incidents, or CQIs, used in testing can significantly help predict latent defects. CQIs represent real-world failures reported by customers and provide invaluable data for identifying which tests truly matter. Not all electrical measurements equally correlate with defects. By tracking CQIs, manufacturers can distinguish between critical tests that predict failures and non-critical tests, where requirements can be relaxed to improve yield. Traditional PAT methods assume normal distributions and fixed test behaviors, assumptions that break down in high-mix environments. In addition, manual inspection can be time-consuming and harder to scale with competitive production volumes. AI and machine learning can help transform this process by learning from CQI history to prioritize critical tests, detecting patterns invisible to legacy methods, balancing test sensitivity with yield optimization, and finally categorizing complex geospatial patterns. The results are substantial. Fewer customer quality incidents, targeted testing that reduces unnecessary yield loss, significant cost savings when scaled across millions of units, higher reliability where it matters most. yieldWerx is leading this revolution with advanced AI/ML capabilities that power the future of semiconductor testing. Our solutions can help leverage CQI data to help achieve the perfect balance between quality and yield. Want to learn more about how AI-powered PAT can transform your manufacturing process? Click the link below to read the full article and discover how yieldWerx can help maximize your semiconductor yields.